Hi everyone, this is me Hassan and welcome to my channel Hassan Academy. So today we are going to discuss only one question, but this question is really interesting. Which of the following is correct acidity order? Of course, in decreasing order. Okay. So if you are a JEE or NEET aspirant, you are watching this video, pause the video and find out your correct answer and let me see how many of you correct. Okay. And one thing I want to tell you, I am sure that many one of you going to find out the wrong answer. Okay. And if you are a serious aspirant, you need any help, you can write in this email and let's discuss. Okay. Since you are not here in front of me, I can't ask you that what you got. And I post this same question in my community also. Let's see how many of you getting the correct answer. I will upload this video after 2 days or 1 day so that I can get to know that how many of you really could find out the correct answer. Okay, so 4 different acids there, and those are formic acid, acetic acid, propionic acid and butanoic acid. Yes, if you go for IUPAC name, methanoic acid, ethanoic acid, propanoic acid and butanoic acid. Okay, so IUPAC name and general name little bit different. In case of 3 carbon 1, IUPAC name is propanoic acid, general name is propionic acid. Okay, anyway, these are not my target. My target is what is the correct answer. Okay, because you are learning one general statement that once in carboxylic acid number of carbon is increasing, carbon chain is increasing, the plus side effect is increasing, due to that acidity is decreasing. Yes, since you learn as a generalized statement and once you do the depth analysis, then you got to know that always or almost 99% case in science generalized statement are not true. Okay, generalized statement are true up to a level only. Okay, so this question may come in upcoming JEE exam, April exam or even NEET exam. Yes, NEET 2026, and you will get your wrong answer because many one of you, I know you are thinking D is your correct answer, formic acid, acetic acid, then formic acid, ethanoic acid, then propanoic acid and butanoic acid, but D is wrong answer. Okay, be careful, D is wrong and I am sure about it. Okay, so correct answer is C. So whoever is knowing from before or you are able to find out C is your correct answer, congratulations, C is your correct answer. Here you have to learn lot of things. Okay, in details more explanation I am not going to give because I am trying to make this video very short. I am only telling you one values, that is the final conclusion of any acidity compound. Okay, that is pK values. pK values for formic acid is how much? 3.75. Yes, 3.75. What about acetic acid, ethanoic acid? It will go for 4.75 or 76 because their difference is 1. Difference is 1 means 10 to the power 1 means 10. They are 10 times acidic. Formic acid is 10 times more acidic than acetic acid. That you have to learn from this difference. Okay. Now, what about propanoic acid? It is 4.87. What about butanoic acid? Now you will get to know that butanoic acid, as per the trend, it should be more. It should be more than 4.87. Yes, it can go for 4.9 or 5 or anything, but it's supposed to be more than 4.87. But that is not the case. It is only 4.82. And now you can find out, since it is less pK, so it is acidity is more than propanoic acid. Even though difference is very less, 0.05, yes, you can say very less difference, but yes, even though difference is less, but it is more acidic. And that difference, once you put in 10 to the power 0.05, that will give you around 1.12 or anything, whatever. It is more acidic. Okay, so correct answer is C. Hope you got it. If you got the correct answer, thank you. And if you get to learn this concept for the first time, subscribe this channel and share with your friend and like the video. Thank you for watching. Let me know how many of you knew from before that C is the correct answer. Thank you for watching.